What's up, guys? And today's where we are going to be playing Animal Company, and you guys should remember him. If you guys don't remember him, he's from the Only After video. So,
It's me!
anyways, come on, let's go.
Okay, let's do my backpack. Oh, yeah! Oh, crap. Conditions.
Oh well. We are going to the moon. Buy yourself some rockets. We're going to the moon.
Actually, no, Creed, look at my thing.
Egg launcher. Egg launcher! Wee! I flew. No, all he has to do is he has to come up. Hurry up! Oh! I went higher than that. Bow! I went higher than that. Get in. No! Let's go extra. Yay, we crashed.
Daddy? Where my dad go?
Brandon, right in mine. Brandon, right in mine.
They see me riding dirty. They see me.
Whee! Whee! I am professional. Whee! Whee! Ow. That's a good. Whee! I got it.
I'm after you. Come here. Give me your YouTube channel.
No!
Yes, I will steal it. Oh, crap.
Do not steal my robot. No, he's.
The bear. Oh, God.
No! Whee! I'm gliding. Never mind, I'm not.
Shoot it. I will shoot your viewers. Come here.
Brandon, you're gonna get me canceled. You're gonna get me canceled. You're gonna get me canceled. Oh my god, that's moving. It's moving by itself. It's moving. Brandon, don't say that. You're gonna get me canceled. You might. I'm not sure. You might get me canceled. But Brandon, get what? Because you're not supposed to say something. Just get on mine. Just ride on in it.
What did I say?
Well, I will tell you after when we get done with the video. So get on mine. Get on mine. Get on mine. Get on mine.
No, coming. Take.
Okay, Brandon, roger that.
Yeah, I'm coming to get you.
No, I'm gonna come and get you.
Don't.
Skirt! Oh, crap.
What the heck is it?
He's flying. Whee! Front flip. Oh! Yeah.
Yo, Creed, I found a bomb.
No, I found it before you. That's a nuke.
Oh, it's a nuke? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a nuke. Oh, our glides are stuck.
Creed. Oh.
What did it just do?
Oh.
Whoa.
Creed, no. Creed, I'm floating. Oh.
Wee.
Whoa.
I can fly. I'm flying.
Hey, Creed,
I can fly like a bird. I'm a bird.
Not
I'm a bird.
long.
Aww.
Creed, should we go to mine?
Hop on mine. We're out.
They see me running.
Brandon, get on the passenger seat right now.
No. Oh!
Brandon, watch this.
I fell in real life.
Brandon, can't you see what I'm doing?
Yeah. Don't make me fall. Don't make me
Okay.
die. I said no. I don't. Creed, I fell in real life.
Again? Bro,
Hey guys, I fell in real life.
I found Bloxy Cola somewhere over here, bro.
Blocks? Who? Wait, you found Nico? You found Cash and Nico?
Bro. Bloxy, oh my god. This kid does not know what Bloxy Cola is.
Yeah, I do. It is tong 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 tong.
No, it ain't. It's a type of drink in Roblox.
I know what that is. I was just saying that.
Let's see, was it right here? It was. It was somewhere over here. Was that lying?
No. Cree, what if it's in the big green screen thing?
No. It might be a mini rocket.
The mini rocket? What is a mini-
Whoa! I found a flying thing.
Hey, Cree, do you want to go back home? Cree, do you want to go back home yet? I'm scared.
Yeah, I think it's at the green screen. Nope.
Wait, Creed, you should record a green screen video.
No.
Why not?
Oh!
Wait, Creed, can I get something real quick?
No, we are leaving home. We're leaving and going home. We're going home this instant.
Hey guys, do you want some chippies? Oh.
Hey, Brandon, I would watch out for you.
Oh, let me give you some.
Yeah.
Would any of us sound like that? You got a beat.
Why am I purple? I don't know. Where's that kid? Oh. You're back.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Cheese. My cheese. Ew, bro. I'm smelly. Here, I'll put it all over you. now you're smelly.
Oh, you say I'm smelly?
Yeah, because I made you smelly. Oh shoot. He's gonna hit me with a bat.
I'm gonna hit you in your soul. You better run the rest. I'm gonna hurt you and you will die.
I'm stuck.
Whoa.
Ow! What did I hit?
Where are you?
You see me, bro. I'm scared. This is a real horror monster. Ow!
Hey guys, tell the Discord that I should get banned.
I don't have a Discord yet. Well, watch this. I can fly.
Yeah.
Hey, I pooped. Wipe it. I'll meet you at the afterlife. See ya. Well, Let's end the video. Yo, bro. Brayden? Where'd he go? Brayden, let's end the video. Let's end the video.
Good boy.
So anyways.
Good morning.
So yeah.
Hold on.
This is going to be the last part of the video. So, see ya.